All right, so this is the continuation of the vowel sounds. We learned some in the previous video, and in this video, we are going to continue with the remaining ones. So, you can see the vowel sound here. This is pronounced as eh, eh. Repeat after me. Eh. See the examples here like pet, pet, pen, 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 set, set, set. Come up with some more examples where this vowel sound is used so that you can improve further. Moving forward, this is again long vowel sound and it is pronounced as uh. Repeat after me. Uh. You can see the examples here like car, car, chart, chart, far, far. Think about some more words where this sound is used to practice further. Moving forward, this is short vowel sound, and listen to me carefully so that you can pronounce it well. Like in the previous one, it's a long vowel sound. And for this, you will pronounce the same sound shortly. Listen to me. Uh, ah, uh, ah, ah, ah. Practice after me. Ah, like in cut, cut, onion, onion, bird, bird. Come up with some more words where this vowel sound is used so that you can excel in it further. Moving forward, this is another vowel sound and it is pronounced as a, a, a. Repeat after me. A. You can see the examples here like hat, hat, cat, cat, apple, apple, apple. So come up with more words so that you can excel further in the right pronunciation. Moving forward, this is another vowel sound and it is pronounced as uh, uh. You can see in the examples like bird, bird, turn, turn, serve, serve. You can come up with more words so that you can practice further. The next one we have here is, and this is the last one, this is also known as schwa sound, and it is a very relaxed sound. It is pronounced as uh, uh, uh. You can see in the words like ago, above, above, water, water. You will find so many words like brother, mother, father. So come up with more words so that you can excel in it further. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something out of it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.